Hello and welcome back. Today I am going to be unboxing a NILFISK Core 140 high pressure washer. It comes in two boxes, the white box at the top and that box there. Now this was kindly gifted to me. Now you're going to say, how on earth was I gifted this? But let me tell you, I was gifted it by my other half so I could go out and wash my car. He said it was about time my car needed a good wash, and a good pressure wash at that. So let's open the first box. Okay, so I've just put this table over so I can put the bits and pieces on. What do we get in the box? I think that's the accessory bucket, as far as I know. So that's what we get in the first box. Okay, let's open the second box. Everything in there. That looks like the nozzles and bits. Handle. Wheels, I suppose. Right, and this is the pressure washer itself. And that is it. The box is empty. So if you're interested in how to assemble the power washer, then watch part 2. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, comment. Thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.